Hey! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Grant Frog. I'm back guys with another video. Today, we're going to be reacting to NFL Press the Wrong Buttons moments. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Pretty relaxed, we'll keep it together.
Here's a pass caught for a first down.
Whoa! Whoa!
Reynolds going to take over. Reynolds to the Seahawks. Let's see if he was touched. No, he's not touched. From the 12, Jones keeps, gets a block.
Get out of there!
He is gone. Trying to right, and he trips.
This is the only way he doesn't score. It's been
seriously
for the Giants offensively. Oh man, and they have not been.
Allen, no timeouts as he runs, and he does.
Hey! Hey!
The ball is then batted out of bounds by Dawson Knox.
Come on, man.
2nd and 17. Lost his balance. And then just throws it right to Revis. Flags are out as Revis is slammed down.
Sims wants to throw again. He's put it up an awful lot. Pressure.
Yeah, let's go. Hey!
Pick it up. Touchdown.
No whistle, and that'll be a Lions recovery.
Not with a big man.
And there's no one there. Right, you're set to throw it away. You're not. That's an athlete coming at you, Matt.
Hey, y'all!
Inside, picks up about 3 yards and a crushing block after Peyton was down. Picks up 3 yards and
Talk to Tom Moore then at Indianapolis, the offensive coordinator. You got a busted play here, and then
come on!
Gets hit. The ball is loose and it's alive, and then going into the end zone is Steve Gregory.
Bloop.
An interception. Left. Breeze in trouble. Coming near side, Colson's wide open, and now he's going to throw it forward. That's a forward pass.
Huh?
All day long. Cadets got it, and that one is not going to work. Colson made the catch. He should have went out of bounds. This should be a forward pass and a runoff, and the game over.
TJ Jones is split wide to the left. Orlovsky pressure comes. He eludes it and then throws it picked off down the near sideline. This is Duran Grant, and
dumped inside. They come with a blitz up the middle, and Orlovsky, quite frankly, panics. If you're going to find
wow.
Pass is intercepted.
Hey!
Malcolm Butler.
Yeah! Get out my way!
20.
Woo!
Down at the 28-yard line. Watch the shot here on Bell as he takes his lace. That's almost a one.
And it's Matthews, and he gets stopped, fumbles. Ball picked up by Rashad Johnson, fumble back.
Touchdown. Before he ever gets to the line of scrimmage. And then Antonio Gates.
Darius Slay, and that's just easy pickings for Brandon Whedon.
so Whedon with a first down, dancing around. He's under pressure.
Yeah!
And it is intercepted. A poor decision.
That's why you should not pass the ball when you under pressure. Come on, man.
Hit from the backside.
Fumble the ball.
Oh, Lord, Jacksonville has it. And if the ball is live,
Yeah!
This is still live.
Tony Brackens.
They haven't blown a whistle yet.
No. And finally, he rumbles towards
TD!
the
Oh, geez.
They probably like, oh, man.
And Tony Brackens has to be cajoled. Now, right there.
They pushed
Right
him.
there, he was already. Now, did that,
Don't push him now. You should be trying to tackle him.
It's a Miami touch.
3rd down and 5. Mahomes sliding left. We'll try to pick it.
What you gonna do, Mahomes?
He's already been over.
Hey!
Line of scrimmage, and with that second effort, let's see where they put it.
Ah!
Pressure. Griffin off his back foot.
Where it's gonna go?
Intercepted. Columbus continues to rush. Pressure in the face.
That's why you shouldn't throw it under pressure. Yeah!
But Ebron uses that speed, gets across his face, one hands it. It continues going. And
Wilson gets protection, airs it out. Metcalf. It's there. It's knocked out of the back of the end zone. Was he in? And it's a touchback. He's there, and Diggs just...
He lets up.
Yep. And he was not in.
No, it's just, and you don't see that from
He had to be so blow.
These guys who just never lets up. He's full speed all game.
Hey! Got that thing back, son.
Fake pitch and the throw to Keller. He soars up into the air and falls.
I believe I can fly.
Boyer sends all receivers out, puts it up long, and it's intercepted by Patrick Peterson. Excuse me, by Antoine. Explode on an individual run, explode in the game as Moore with a fake punt hits Lonnie Johnson. Blind-sided, ball is free. Look at that. I mean, Lonnie Johnson is looking for a blocker, looking for tacklers, and forgets William and Mary. Good job of a hit the NFL has to love. An unprotected
Boom!
nowhere near the head.
Favre sprints to his right, throws back across the middle.
The wind got knocked out of him.
Porter. The return by Porter, and he's in field goal range. Instead, he tries to
Give
make
me
the
that.
This is the cardinal sin for any quarterback, throwing back across the grain as you're rolling to your right.
thinking about running.
What's up?
He took the knee.
He did
so now
take
he's
the
going to
knee.
run out.
He did not spike
He
the
didn't
ball.
spike it. He took the knee.
Quarterback, kneel down. Which made the clock continue to run. The half is over.
That's it. Out of that effort.
Well, and he doesn't have to. You know, they were saying, well, you know, he wasn't touched, so he got up and they were going to do it. Well, the fact of the matter is he gave himself up. By giving himself up, it's automatically.
Yeah.
McNabb loading up deep for Deshaun Jackson.
Hey, man.
Oh, well, did he get over the goal line? This, I think, my challenge. Oh, it is very close.
Yeah.
Hunter lost control of the football prior to going in the end zone. By rule, the ball will belong to Philadelphia on the run. 8-9 Eagles. Osweiler, the delayed rush, just throws it up, and it's intercepted.
He's in trouble right about here. He gets hit by Cox, and there's just no way that's going to be complete.
And the toss to Sims. Coming to the near sideline. Cuts upfield.
Hey.
Leap and hit number 24, Steve Brown, with a foot right in the head, right, right there. It's as though he used his foot as a straight arm.
That was a good video. Tell me what y'all think about that video. But as usual, it's your boy, Quinn the Frog. And till next time, hey!
Oh, baby, I've been living life. Baby, I've been living life. Oh, baby, Liddy every time. Find out when you subscribe.